you will receive for bases and for pipes. Arrange them in the position as shown. Make sure that all the wheels are in the same direction. Take a base and attach it with one end of pipe. Attach another base on another end. Repeat the same with another 2 bases and a pipe. Now take one of the pairs and attach 2 remaining pipes in the remaining holes. Then take another pair and attach it with the remaining empty pipe ends. Now adjust the stand according to your appliance size and tighten the knob to fix the stand on that particular size. Now your DEVENTURES heavy-duty stand is ready to use.